Signs that she is not a diva low maintenance. Before we start, check the link in the top right corner to get the premium masterclass on fractionation, seduction and pickup lines for free via email. A low-maintenance girl is one who doesn't take herself too seriously and doesn't need much to be happy. If you find one, they are a good investment. A low-maintenance girl is the exact opposite of a high-maintenance girl. What's the difference? The high-maintenance girl needs full-on attention, lavish gifts and praise, and just about every part of your energy to be expended in her direction. The low-maintenance girl is the anti-thesis. A low-maintenance girl doesn't need to take 2 hours to get ready. She figures you like the way she looks, or you don't. She won't require that you skip boys' night because she needs you to be at her beck and call. She isn't someone who passes you a to-do list a mile long. 30 things that tell you she is a low-maintenance girl. If you're tired of dating someone who's high-maintenance, or believe high-maintenance girls are just too much to handle, perhaps you need to see the benefits of being around someone who's low-maintenance and easy. So, how do you spot the low-maintenance girl? It isn't easy because typically she is just as beautiful on the exterior. Often, you look at what is inside to see the amount of maintenance a girl needs. If you spot the traits and characteristics, you probably stand in the midst of someone who needs very little from you to maintain herself. 1. She is ready to go, like now. 2. She isn't into makeup, maybe when there's a special occasion, but that is about it. 3. She not only lets you see her sweat, she encourages you to sweat along. 4. She doesn't have a separate closet for her shoes and accessories. 5. Her purse consists of a cell phone with a back to hold her ID and credit card. 6. She would rather hit the local dive bar than dress up for a fancy dinner. 7. She isn't overly concerned about what other people think of how she looks, so her outfits are usually comfy instead of stylish. 8. She wears flip-flops until her toes freeze in the winter, and then switches to socks with flip-flops. 9. Her nails are typically unnatural. 10. Her nails are almost always short. Long fingernails just get in the way. 11. She believes high heels are for suckers. 12. Hair dryers, curlers, and straighteners aren't necessary. The earth does just as fine a job fixing her hair. 13. On her birthday, she is okay with just a card from the heart. In fact, flowers are a waste of money. After all, they die too quickly. 14. She drives a late-model car that has no upgrades, and it still has a CD player, if not an 8-track tape. 15. If you text her, hey, maybe you just got busy. 16. When she has done something amazing, she rarely toots her own horn, or tells anyone. Feeling good about herself is enough. 17. Getting dirty is not something she avoids, she seeks it out. Mountain climbing, mud runs, whatever adventures she can find, she is in. 18. She has pierced ears, but you have probably never seen any earrings in them. 19. She rolls out of bed and looks just as beautiful as a high-maintenance girl who spends all day on getting ready. 20. Her luggage doesn't weigh as much as she does. It is usually just a duffel bag. 21. She can laugh at her own expense. 22. You won't ever need to hold her purse at the mall. 1. She doesn't have a purse. 2. She hates malls as much as you do. 23. Whatever you make for dinner is totally fine by her. She isn't inclined to just order a salad either. 24. She isn't constantly fishing for compliments from those around her. 25. She won't pick at you for every little thing you aren't doing right. She appreciates the little things that you do. 26. Selfies aren't her thing. 27. She fixes her own shit. 28. She isn't into the mantra of a place for everything and everything in its place. 29. She isn't a remote control hog, she'll watch whatever you want. 30. She has fun at a funeral. Okay, maybe not a funeral, but anywhere else. It isn't that a low-maintenance girl isn't sexy, hot, and completely desirable. It is just that she is so without any effort. Full of confidence and self-assuredness, the low-maintenance girl doesn't need constant attention, praise, or adoration to feel fulfilled. Instead, she finds those things from within. A low-maintenance girl is called such because you won't find your days, nights, weekends, and holidays devoted to making her happy, attending to her every whim, or being afraid not to do what she says, when she says it. So, if you can find a low-maintenance girl, she is a rare commodity. Only concerned with having fun, the things that really matter in life, and being super chill, she makes an excellent best friend and bedmate. I am pretty sure you have followed the lines of pickup artists etc. in the past. And these lines sometimes might work, but more often they won't. You know why? You don't feel authentic while telling them. And women can literally smell this. So the biggest disadvantage of all regular lines and tricks is, they don't make women obsessed and literally enslave them in a positive way. But no problem, if you want to learn how to become a high-status man that naturally says the right things and use the deadliest pickup line in an authentic way to make the women obsessed for you. Just click the link at the end of the video, put in your email and Jason will send you the masterclass video for free. Don't know how long it will be available,